Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can repair this window regulator. I have already such a video in my channel, but in this video I am more detailed from beginning to the end. First we remove the store panel. Let's go.
Beyond the door to the path.
To remove the clips, use cotton pliers.
My heart sinks fast. I know what it says. An unfamiliar feeling. Reach the walls of my physical room. Fix me, I'm bent. Beautiful, being slipped by me, I'm spent. But never let my leveling. Fix me, I'm bent. Beautiful, being slipped by me, I'm spent. Don't go my way. I regret this every day. I go attack in the way I'm falling. Don't go my way. I regret this every day. I go tired of the way I'm falling.
Now we need to unscrew the 3 screws and remove this motor. Now when I change this part by a new one.
I'm tryna go where nobody been, and I'm tryna make a few. You supposed to be on my ride or die, make man's talk at you. I'm looking out for you, looking out for yourself, that ain't for you. Just saying you on my side, and you in my way, if that's how you feel. I'm tryna bring all my friends, I'm tryna bring all my fam on the way. My weather app is going crazy, telling me seasons changing the. Yo, people calling my phone and asking me, nigga, when you gon' pop? You must forgot that I gave you all that you got before you done came up. Can he be mad cause I know you a hater? I'd rather know when I sooner than later. You was my rider, now you was a traitor. This is what happens when you on the way up. You know, there you go, ghost. 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 I gave them chances, I did them favors, I showed them love when they do. I made a scene on my phone, they could eat with me when I was people I never thought of my wildest dreams turning up. My own family sitting at home praying and wishing back there's a. I pray you don't hit me up and I finally break and make a few. If you don't fuck with me then don't fuck with me now, I ain't taking no. And all the faces stand by just in case I'm gon' make. I'll lie now but my third eye on you, see what I'm saying? Can he be mad cause I know you a hater? I'd rather know when I sooner than later. You was my rider, now you was a traitor. This is what happens when you on the way up. You know, there you go, ghost. 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 You know, there you go, ghost.
Hi guys, after the rain, my glass lifter began to work very badly. In order for them to work as before, you need to apply these tools. We apply it on the side and check the performance. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can repair this window glass. We need to remove window regulator and repair it. But first of all, we need to remove this door panel. Now guys, when the window regulator mechanism worked here, the window was skewed. The reason was that the fasteners on one of the sides of the mechanism were broken. The mechanism sagged, the result in a skewed window. But now we have installed the mechanism on the fasteners.